afternoon, students. How are you all? Hope you all are happy. So let's start our computer subject today. So on page number 43 we are going to continue our chapter Introduction to HTML, lesson number 3. So part 3 of lesson 3, Introduction to HTML. Today we are going to learn how to create a web page. Few steps are also there, but regarding this we also know a few points also. So first of all, your title is like this: web page creation. You are creating what work you are doing. Okay, so first of all, web page creation, you are creating web page. And next one is why you are creating web page. Text: I am learning HTML programming. You are creating web page because you are learning HTML program. So to learn HTML program you need web page, and for the web page you are using HTML program. You need few tag you use. Okay, so first of all, open the Notepad program, simple page program, Notepad program, and type the following HTML codes in Notepad. So this code you have to write. So already we learned what is the doc type HTML, what is head, what is title. So in short I will explain you. Here it is given tag, here it is given, that is the, you can say, less than sign, and this is the greater than sign. So docu, that is document type. Okay, doc type means document type HTML, that is hypertext markup language. Okay, you are making one document, here you start your work, that is HTML. Okay, starting and closing tag, that is the less than and greater than sign. And your head means heading, you are giving heading to your document. Now what is your heading? Starting your tag, title, title closed. Okay, here you are closing. Now what is your title? Here you are giving your title, web page creation. Okay, after writing this you have to, when you start any tag you have to close also. So you started and you close with less than sign and slash, title and greater than sign, that is under the tag slash title. Here you completed your heading title. Okay, that is head title. Now the main part of the head. Okay, here it is head started, and here you close the heading. Okay, so it will print only this much, that web page creation, and here you close. And now the body part, why you are making this document, what you want to write, the main part, body. The body you are going to write, I am learning HTML programming. Here you started writing by this tag body, and by slash body you closed your part of your work. And when you started HTML you need to close only, then only your program will learn. So slash HTML under the tag, you can say under the container. Okay, so these are the tag you have to write, that is the one type of code, program code. Okay, so here is the heading, main work and over. Okay, only these two sentences you will able to see when you run the program. So this much tag you have to write, and then save the document in a file. Save, and while saving, what you are giving mark as index.html file. This is the file of HTML. So index.html file when you save this file. Okay, one more information for you: all the web pages that are created must have .html extension. See, here it is .html extension, means .html name of the file you have to give. Okay students, now we will learn about the viewing the web page, how you see the web page, how you will able to see the web page. Go to the Google Chrome, and with the help of web browser, okay, you open the file that contains the web page code. On doing so, the web page will display in browser window. So this is the web page you will able to see in the browser. Okay, your heading was, you're making a document type HTML. Okay, creating HTML program. And why you're creating? Because I am learning HTML programming. So this sentence. Okay, your web page creation heading, and this is the body part. So these two sentence. So when you run your title, okay, and text, Okay, why you're making this web page? I am learning. This is a body part, you known as here given as text. So this screen will appear when you run, and web page, this screen is known as web page. Now next is modifying the web page. What are the changes you want to do more? Okay, this was an example. What more you can add, can modify the web page. First of all, open the file that contains the code. So you are going to open that file where you did all the codes. Okay, so open that file in Notepad. So go in the Notepad and open that file that was already you saved. Just to open and make modification in the code, and you want to change anything, you can change. For example, following lines are added to the existing code, then they completed code okay, will look as shown below. For example, I am learning HTML program. This was the first web page. Later I will learn adding graphics. So your sample form was only this much, that you are learning the program. Okay, and now you want to add more. What you want to add? You want to add graphics, audio, video in it, so it will be more interesting. This is the simple, no one will like. So if you add more things, it will be more interesting. Your page looks something different from the normal person page. Okay, so for that also you need a few code also. So on page number, we will see on 45. See optional tag, that is, it is given optional HTML tags that are used as and when required. Okay, so first of all, it is given heading tag. For heading, what type of heading you want? See, if you want to give so many heading, then you have to write this way: h1 under the tag, that is the under the container, h1 for making the main heading. Okay, in the web pages, the text enclose, and you have to enclose, you have to close by /h1. /h1 tag appears as the main heading. Okay, this was your first main heading, h1, starting and closing. Okay, so here it is, the web it is created a new program, that is the Bengal tiger. Now next, last line, HTML, there are the 6 heading tags. See, this was the h1 first tag, and there are the 6 heading tags like this: h1, h2, h3. Here it is started given as from h1 to h6. Why? Because h1 is the highest level, and h6 is the least level. At least 6 you can heading you can give to your document. Okay, so keep in mind how many heading you can give. 6. h1 is the highest and h6 is the least level. Page number you can see 46. One sample base on the web page, it is given h1 tag, subheading is known as h2, subheading using h3, subheading. See, same thing here it is given. You will see say that no difference is there, just only h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. See, you see the font here, highlight more height, you can say size of the font, then decrease, then decrease, then decrease, 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 because you are not decreasing the size of the font, but the heading shows in such a way that here it's we can see after the document when run, this is the first heading, second heading, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. When you run the program, you will get the more idea. Now next is the aligning the heading attributes. Okay, so you give one type of alignment to your attributes. Now what is the attributes? Okay, the page heading can be aligned by using align attributes in the heading tags. Okay, the align attributes can be set as follow. How to give you can say one type of alignment. Okay, alignment means you want to write in left margin, you want to write in right side, or in the center part, you where you want to write your work. Okay, so heading alignment, you are giving value. Okay, how much place it leaves, and then start typing your text. Okay, here you can give any value. And text closing the head tag means after starting you need to close tag. See, this is the rule of the programming code, that when you start code you have to code ending part also compulsory to do. So starting and closing, that is h1 alignment center. Okay, center, or you can give in number also. H1 alignment center, that is the value. The Bengal tiger H1 heading, so in center it prints like this. Here also place is left and here also left, and in the center it will show your heading the Bengal tiger. To write in center part of the document your heading, this way it looks when you run. Okay, so this tag you need to write. Now for right and left also the same thing. When you do your work while running, you will need what changes you can see, and you need change, you can change code also and again run. If you need change, again run and see what are the changes to be done, and after the changes how it looks. So today we are going to learn only this much, and next we will learn how to type paragraph. What are the rules to type the paragraph? So we will see in the next session. Thank you student. Have a nice day.